Hello. Sorry, the lighting is kind of poor right here. We've got from Pizza Hut their large Chicago Tavern style pizza. And what does this have on it?
It has chicken sausage, Italian sausage, grape tomatoes, olives, and sauteed onions.
So it looks pretty good. I'll see if I can find a link below that I can put below. The sweet marinara is nice. It's not too sweet. Both sausages are flavorful, not too spicy. Yeah, this is pretty dang good. Let me know if you've had this before. And if you have not had this before, let me know if you typically get Pizza Hut. If you haven't, I'd say give it a go. If you have a, one that has a location near you. But yeah, I would give this a solid 4 out of 5 on the star scale. I would highly recommend it to others. If you haven't had this before, when did you last have pizza? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!